Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you. Tumge bustak viel Glück. Tumge bustak viel Glück. Tumge bustak, tumge bustak, tumge bustak viel Glück. On behalf of the entire OFM Vienna family, Daddy, we want to say we love you. We want to wish you a very happy birthday. We thank God for giving us such a gift like you in our generation. We love you and we honor the grace of God upon your life. We thank you for all that you do for us as a father, and we are taking this time out to celebrate you. We join the host of heaven to celebrate you this month of March. Daddy, Omega Fire Ministry Vienna, Omega Fire Ministry Austria loves you so much. You are the best daddy in the world. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip for the hip, for the hip.